Hello, nature enthusiasts and lovers. Welcome to Farming 4.0. Today we will discover together the secrets of crab fishing, these fascinating and delicious creatures that populate our waters. We'll learn how to choose the best baits, the most efficient traps, and the ideal places to catch quality crabs. Whether you're a novice or an experienced fisherman, this episode will provide you with useful information and valuable tricks. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our exciting episodes. Let's embark on a new adventure at Farming 4.0. Let's go crab fishing. Fishing for crabs from a boat is a fascinating and challenging activity, combining traditional techniques with modern equipment. To catch crabs, specialized traps are used. The most common are pot traps, which are large, sturdy baskets, with openings that allow crabs to enter but not escape, and ring traps, which consist of two rings connected by a net. These are submerged and quickly lifted to catch crabs. The baits used in these traps are usually fresh fish scraps, chicken, or other meat, as crabs are attracted to the strong smell of these foods. The traps are strategically placed, usually in sandy or muddy areas, where crabs feed. The depth at which they are placed varies, depending on the species of crab and the location. The boat moves slowly, and the crew monitors the traps placed earlier, lifting them at regular intervals to check the catches. GPS systems and sonar are often used to locate and monitor the traps. It is essential to follow local regulations regarding the size and number of crabs that can be caught to protect crab populations and ensure sustainable fishing. In terms of safety, fishing for crabs from a boat can be dangerous due to weather conditions and the hard work involved. Safety equipment such as life jackets and first aid kits is mandatory. Crab fishing from a boat has the advantage of allowing the capture of a large number of crabs in a relatively short time and accessing remote areas where crabs are more abundant. However, challenges include variable weather conditions and the need for specialized equipment and a well-trained crew. Processing crabs is a complex and well-structured operation involving multiple stages to ensure the quality and safety of the final product. Crabs are caught using specialized traps and are quickly transported to the processing facility to maintain freshness. During transport, crabs are kept in optimal conditions of temperature and humidity to prevent stress and mortality. Upon arrival at the processing facility, crabs are received and inspected to ensure they meet quality standards. Visual inspection is essential to identify sick or injured crabs, which are removed from the batch. In some cases, crabs undergo a purification process, where they are kept in clean water to remove sand and other impurities from their digestive systems. This process can take between 24 and 48 hours. After purification, crabs are boiled or steamed. This process not only cooks them, but also helps to separate the meat from the shell. The cooking time and temperature are crucial to maintaining the texture and flavor of the crab meat. Immediately after cooking, crabs are rapidly cooled to prevent bacterial growth. This is usually done by submerging them in ice water or using cooling chambers. Shelling and meat extraction is one of the most labor-intensive stages. The shell is removed manually or with the help of special machines, and the meat is extracted. This process requires dexterity and attention to minimize losses and ensure efficient extraction. The crab meat is then sorted by quality and type: claw meat, body meat, etc. After sorting, the meat is packaged in appropriate containers, which can range from vacuum-sealed bags to cans. Packaging is done in a controlled environment to prevent contamination. Depending on the final destination, the crab meat can be rapidly frozen to preserve freshness and quality for the long term, or it can be refrigerated for short-term consumption. The packages are labeled with relevant information, such as processing date, expiration date, and batch details. They are then stored in temperature-controlled conditions until shipment. Finished products are shipped to distributors, retailers, or directly to consumers. It is essential to maintain the cold chain throughout transportation to ensure food quality and safety. Throughout the process, rigorous quality controls are carried out to ensure compliance with sanitary and food safety standards. These controls include microbiological tests, temperature checks, and visual inspections. Crab processing is a complex activity that requires specialized equipment and trained personnel. Each stage is crucial to ensure the final product is of high quality, safe for consumption, and has excellent taste. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.